Anka along with Krish Mittal and Arvind sir, and we are the group 4 and we are presenting a very core problem. What is that? Actually, we all have numerous GST or income tax notices, and what is the biggest problem? The problem is to manage that notices in the chronological manner, like कि कब उसका ड्यू डेट आ रहा है और कब हमें उसे फाइल करना है और उसका रिप्लाई कैसे बनाना है. तो हमने अभी जस्ट सौरभ सर बता रहे थे कि हमें पूरा डिजाइन थिंकिंग करना है. तो ओके, लेट्स गो अहेड. हम कैसे करेंगे? हमने एक डैशबोर्ड क्रिएट किया है. ठीक है, उस डैशबोर्ड पे हम लोग कंप्लीट वर्किंग बताएंगे कि किस तरीके से वो वर्क करता है, अलर्ट देता है. उसके लिए कृष्णा सर प्लीज.
So we have just used the lovable software for the dashboarding purpose, in which we have done the whatever the notices that at the office level from the client, what are there, total notices, what we have replied, what is in progress, and what will be submitted and what will be overdue at what level, and what are the notices under which check. So this is basically a complete dashboard end to end, so that we have a control and a management around the notices. And what the notices has been submitted, how we have to submit it, Naren sir will take care through the other tools, that how we will reply for the notices.
But before demonstrating how it creating the reply, Krishna, it's very important that we learn how to redact the document. Okay, so first we have to sanitize the document and redact the complete documentation, because it's a lovable app and we don't know how to security and ethics will impact this. So first we redacted the complete notice, and it also compare if you give the another notice also कि इसमें क्या-क्या differences हैं and क्या notice के additions इसमें और आए हैं. क्योंकि होता क्या है कि एक notice दे दिया, हमने कुछ नहीं किया, दूसरा notice और पीछे से आ जाता है. ठीक है, तो we have to know कि क्या comparison है उन document के अंदर. So this tool will work कि कैसे reduction होगा then comparison. Okay, then please sir, over to you.
See, regarding this, how can we prepare reply of so-called notice? This is big issue. So we have to take care about so-called notices. We have to take care about provision of GST, etc. So we have created one prompt. So just we are going to show that prompt. This is our prompt, and now we are going to show you. Based on this, we have created Python. So we are going to show you Python also. This is our Python. Now we are going to create once again. So we are going to run. So asking company name A, B, C. Then asking GST number. I have kept GST number. Then address. Let us say Jaipur. Then authorized name MM. Then CA. Then city again Jaipur.
So 30 seconds more.
Okay, sir. So based on that, let us say
Prepare reply.
that this is prepared reply also. So now we can see this is our reply. With case log, whether this is time bar or not, everything is there. There is case log. Within a few seconds, we are going to get 11 pages reply of so-called notices. This is so-called notice is of around 25 pages. Our reply is 21 pages. These are 11 pages. We can elaborate also with this. Thank you, sir.